are discussing about seasons. In European countries, how many seasons I told you? 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Winter, spring, summer, autumn. Already I explained about winter and spring season. Now we are going to learn about summer and autumn. When the summer starts in this area? From June to August. In this area, European countries, summer is from June month to August month. Here, not much rains in this region. So, there are no rains, much sunshine. This is equator region, no? That's why here sunshine is very heavy. There is no rainfall. Scanty rainfall is there. Here days are too longer. Days are too longer than our countries. Approximately sun rises at 4 o'clock in the early morning. When the sun rises here in these European countries, sun rises at 4 o'clock in the early morning. In our countries, sun rises at 6 o'clock, 6:15, approximately 5 to 10 minutes difference sun rises. But in European countries, sun rises at 4 o'clock in the early morning. And when the sun sets after 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock in the night, sun sets. The northern countries like Sweden, there is no sunset. In Sweden, this is northern country of Europe, there is no sunset at all. So this country is called Lands of Midnight Sun. This country is called Lands of Midnight Sun. Why? Because there is no sunset in this country. So this is a season suitable for agriculture. In this season, crops grow. So at the end of summer, crops ready for harvesting also. In this summer only, crops grow perfectly, and at the end of the summer, crops are ready for harvesting. Our country has 2 main crop seasons. What are that? Kharif and Rabi, which we call the winter and monsoon seasons. Kharif and Rabi seasons are crop growing seasons in our country. In our country, we have 8 to 10 months in year for cultivation. To grow crops, 8 to 10 months. It's a minimum. 8 to 10 months are minimum in the year to grow crops in our country. But in European countries, other countries, if we observe, only 6 to 7 months. 6 to 7 months are suitable for cultivation, for growing crops. Only 6 to 7 months are suitable. In our country, 8 months. 8 to 10 months are available for cultivation. Okay. This is the summer season. Next one to the autumn. When it starts, the climate changes in September or October. In September and October months, climate changes in the European countries. That time, leaves turn to red and yellow color. Then begin to fall that leaves. In that time, leaves turn to red and yellow color. Then begin to fall the leaves. So agricultural production is not taken in the season. Only hay is cut and dried. Hay is cut and dried, and this hay is used for animals to feed. In this area, in this season, grapes and other fruits plucked and used for making wine, jams, juices, etc. So there is no production for agriculture in this season. So what they do? They do grapes and other fruits. They pluck the grapes and other fruits from trees, and they use it to make wines, jams and juices in their season. Okay. This is the autumn season. Now how many months I told you? 4 months. Once again, read the 4 months: winter, spring, summer, autumn. Summer is the main season to grow crops. This is suitable for growing crops. Why? Because there is no much rainfall. Days are warmer. So it is suitable for growing crops in summer season. Winter, when it starts? I told you, November and December. In the month of November, it gets cold. Then December, it becomes very cold. So the winter season, cooler, cold is less, warm is days are warmer. Days are warmer. Why? Because this area is around the equatorial region. So that's why European countries, southern countries or western countries, they get heat more. And in summer season, when sun rises at early morning 4 o'clock. And winter season, when does it rises? Around 9 o'clock. Right? When does it sun sets in summer? Sets after 8 o'clock. In winter season, after 4 o'clock, sunsets. So there is a country, there is no sunset. What is the name of that country? Sweden. Northern country, Sweden. There is no sunset. So this Sweden is called midnight of sun. Lands of midnight sun. This Sweden country is called lands of midnight sun. So this area is in summer season, crops grown in this region. So it is suitable for this climate, is suitable for growing crops. And at the same time, end of summer, crops are ready for harvest. Crops are ready for harvesting. So if we compare that, we have in our country Kharif and Rabi, two main crop seasons, which we call winter season and monsoon season. And also 8 to 10 months are minimum for cultivation to grow crops in 1 year. But in other countries like European countries, how many months the climate available for cultivation to grow crops? 6 to 7 months. Okay, remember that when the summer season start from June to August, and autumn it was in September or October. Go through these seasons. Once again, you have questions in boxes. Then you can write the answers easily if you